teach
Oh,
him
you're
how to
biting.
do that.
Ow!
May mga
But
package
it's
eh.
his present. Yeah, you step on it. Step on it. Winston, hey, this is yours. That's yours, look. Open it. Look.
Baby
Winston,
he had two teeth.
Hey!
Two teeth now left.
that's not your present. You want your pig? Here.
Can you open the gift?
Yay!
What is it?
A stocking.
Whoa, Winston, you got a stocking full of toys.
This is squeezing. It's squeezing. How do you open it? Uh-oh.
Open it.
Like that. Oops, sorry. Yay! Yay! Toys! Oh, you have to use scissors.
You need scissors?
Oh no. You want Santa? Yeah! Yeah, Santa! He likes the high-pitched toys. Yay!
Oh my gosh, lots of toys.
Yay!
Lots of toys. Yay, toys.